Hello friends, welcome back to Epic ADME YouTube channel. Today I bring a fantastic application to you guys that will allow you to see your family members and get friends live on your phone. You can make your own phone as a CCTV camera. With this thing to happen, you just have some few settings to do on your phone and as well as your girlfriend's phone. For this thing to happen, you have to install two applications, one on your phone and the other on your girlfriend's phone. So now you guys, let's get started. But before I proceed, I will urge you guys not to forget to subscribe to this my wonderful YouTube channel for you to be notified with each and every video we drop on this channel. So guys, let's get started. First of all, you have to install an application called At Home Camera Phone as Remote Control on your phone, your personal phone. Go to your Google Play Store. You have to install At Home Camera Phone as remote control. As you can see over here, let me just click on it, the first option. So as you can see, I've already downloaded the application. What I just have to do is to open the application and click on allow all the permissions. You have to allow all the permissions. That's good. Accept. So you have to register now. Sorry. You have to register here with your email and your password. After that, you will log in. Wow, as you can see, this is interesting. As you can see, I've successfully entered the application. Log on to the application. So as well as your girlfriend's phone also, what you have to do, you have to go to Play Store on his or her phone and download. You have to download At Home Video Stream. Turn phones into IP cameras. You can see the second option here in blue color. So what I just have to do is to also in his or her phone is to open the application. Once you open the application on your phone, you will go to at toppermost side of your phone and click on Add Camera by QR code, and you have to copy the QR code. Scan the QR code of your wife's or your girlfriend's phone, or you can also use your other phone. Now, what you just have to do, if you want to listen to anything they are saying there, you just have to click on this play. Once you click on play, each and everything that is happening. I'm seeing each and everything that is happening over there with her. And also, even if our phone enter password or the phone locked, it will still work on background. I'll be seeing everything here. It's very good and fantastic application. Very good application. Maybe you want to talk to the person, you can hold here to talk. After you talk, it is sent to the person. You can mute here and so on. Guys, it's a very good application that gives you 100% assurance to use a CCTV camera in your house, or to monitor your girlfriend, or to watch over your room. Thank you and God bless. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Kindly click on the subscribe button and click on the bell beside the subscribe button for you to be notified when we drop the latest video. And don't forget to like our videos and share to your friends, relatives and family.